Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. This is a biology session. We have been discussing about the cell structure and functions. Assessment 1 we have completed. So let us discuss more questions in the part 2, assessment 2. The membrane surrounding vacuole of a plant cell is called tonoplast, plasma membrane, nuclear membrane, and cell membrane. Vacuole is the largest organelle in the plant cell. Even it pushes the nucleus to a side, and this vacuole is covered by means of a special membrane. It is called a tonoplast. The physical basis of life is nucleus, cell, protoplasm, nutrition. Here the answer is written wrong. The physical basis of life is protoplasm. It is protoplasm, not nucleus. Protoplasm is called the physical basis of life. It was said by scientist Huxley. Next, the largest cell organelle is nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, and mitochondria. Means here we have to consider these four options. So among these four options, chloroplast is the largest cell organelle. Among nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, and chloroplast is the largest cell organelle. The function of Golgi bodies in plants is transport of metabolites, translocation of enzymes, synthesis of cell wall, production of microbodies. Okay, here transport of metabolites. What are metabolites? Metabolites in the plants are divided into two types. They are primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. The primary metabolites are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, okay, and the secondary metabolites are tannins, resins, gums, alkaloids. These are all called secondary metabolites. So here the Golgi bodies, they transport the proteins. The cell organelle which has electron transport system. The electron transport system is present in nucleus, centriole, nucleolus, mitochondria. So here the mitochondria contain electron transport system. So we have studied the cell organelle mitochondria. The mitochondria consisting of outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer membrane is smooth, inner membrane possess several folds called cristae, finger-like projections. So in the cristae, the F1 particles are present. They form the electron transport system. Okay. Next, which structure performs a similar function in both plant and animal cells? The cell structure which performs similar function in both plant and animal cells. Here ribosomes, contractile vacuoles, chloroplast, cell walls are given. So among these organelles, chloroplast and cell walls are present only in the plant cells. Okay, whereas contractile vacuole present in only animal cells. So here the common structure is ribosomes. So it performs similar function in both plant and animal cells. So what is the function of ribosomes? The ribosomes' main function is synthesis of proteins. So these ribosomes are called protein factories of the cell. So Ribosome function is similar in both plant and animal cell, that is protein synthesis. Next, hydrolytic enzymes are abundant in peroxisomes, microsomes, lysosomes, lomasomes. So here lysosomes are the enzyme filled bag like structures which involves in intracellular digestion. Okay. Next, ribosomes are the center of, means what is the function of ribosomes? Respiration, photosynthesis, protein synthesis and fat synthesis. So protein synthesis. The photosynthetic units are known as dictyosomes, quantasomes, microsomes and ribosomes. The photosynthetic units are known as quantasomes. The quantasomes are the photosynthetic units. They are made up of reaction centers, which are the pigment systems are present in the chloroplast grana region. So those pigment systems united to form the structural and functional units of photosynthesis, they are called quantasomes. Okay, they trap the solar energy and involve the photochemical reaction called photosynthesis. One of the following is a single membrane structure: chloroplast, nucleus, mitochondria, lysosomes. So all chloroplasts contain double membrane, nucleus contain nuclear envelope double layered, and mitochondria also contain double layered membrane. So here lysosomes are made up of, are covered by single membrane structure. The minerals that are important for the heart function, muscle contraction and nerve impulse or nerve transmission are, there are three main minerals: the sodium, potassium and chloride, zinc, nickel and iron, boron, copper and zinc, sulfur, iron and calcium. So here the first option, sodium, potassium and chloride are very important in the functioning of heart, muscles and brain. The carbohydrate is synthesized from fat within which of the organelles synthesize the carbohydrate from fat? Lysosome, spirosome, glyoxysome, lamazome. So here glyoxysomes are the structures where the carbohydrates are converted into fat. The organelles for fat synthesis, once again, glyoxysomes, lomasomes, spirosomes, lysosomes. So glyoxysomes are the organelles for fat synthesis. These glyoxysomes are present in the plant cells, because in plants the end product of photosynthesis is starch. That starch is again converted to fats in the glyoxysomes. The cell membrane or plasma membrane is made up of, it is a multi correct answers. So here lipids, proteins, carbohydrates and cellulose is given. Lipids and proteins. Glycoproteinaceous nature. The proteins and lipids are present in the plasma membrane. Identify the prokaryotic cell. A prokaryotic cell is made up of or consists of a primitive nucleus, or the nucleus is absent in the prokaryotic cell. So example for prokaryotic cell here: bacterium, cyanobacterium, paramecium and amoeba. And here paramecium and amoeba are eukaryotic. The bacterium and cyanobacterium are prokaryotic cell. Next, the endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, vitamins. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of. Here rough endoplasmic reticulum involves in the manufacture of proteins, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of lipids. Which of the following are the main points of cell theory? Which of the following are the main points of cell theory? Cells are small units of life. Cell arise from pre-existing cell. Cells are the structural and functional unit of life. All living cells have same size and shape. So here, first point, cells are the smallest units of life. Second point, cells arise from pre-existing cells. And the third point, cells are the structural and functional units of life. So these are the three main postulates of cell theory. Which of the following cell parts can be found in an animal cell? Cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, chloroplast. Among these structures, cell wall and chloroplast are present only in the plant cells. So here, cell membrane or plasma membrane and nucleus are found in the animal cell. Next, unlike animal cells, plant cells have dash and dash and dash. Chloroplast, cell walls, mitochondria. Centrioles, cell walls, glycocalyx. Chloroplast, cell walls, vacuoles. Centrioles, chloroplast, vacuoles. Chloroplast, cell walls, nucleoplasm. So here it is also a multi-correct analytical approach type question. This type of questions are called analytical approach type. So here only third option, that is chloroplast, cell walls and vacuoles are present in the plant cells. Okay. Next, the eukaryotic cells have transport vesicles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and a nuclear envelope. Taken together, all these membranes represent the transfer system, nuclear system, endomembrane system and cytoskeleton system. So here all together eukaryotic cells transport vesicles, they all together represent the endomembrane system. Endomembrane system. Which of the following pairs are correct? Chloroplasts, photosynthesis, mitochondria, respiration, ribosomes, intracellular digestion, centrioles, reproduction. So here the first option, chloroplast, photosynthesis, correct or not? Yes, it's correct. The mitochondrion, cellular respiration, it's also correct. Ribosomes, intracellular digestion, so this is wrong. What is the function of ribosomes? Protein synthesis. But intracellular digestion is the function of which organelle? Lysosomes. So the third option is wrong. Then centrioles, centrioles involved in cell division, so reproduction. So here the D option is correct. Chloroplast, photosynthesis, mitochondria, respiration and centrioles, reproduction. Next, assertion reason type question. Eukaryotic cells have the ability to adopt a variety of shapes and carry out directed movements. This is assertion. The reason, there are three principal types of protein filaments: actin filament, microtubules and intermediate filaments, which constitute the skeleton. So here the reason is, there are three principal types of protein filaments, that is actin filament, microtubules and intermediate filaments, which constitute the skeleton. And the assertion is, eukaryotic cells have the ability to adopt a variety of shapes and carry out directed movements. So here there is no connection we are seeing. So here assertion and reason, they both are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Why? Because here these different types of filaments, here movements are given, directed movement, shape and carry out directed movements are given in the assertion. So the shape and the movements are under the control of these protein filaments like actin filament, microtubules, intermediate filaments. They are the components of cytoskeleton. Okay, cytoskeleton is composed of microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. So they help in giving the shape and structure to the cell, and they also help to carry out the directed movements. Yes, this is absolutely correct. Next assertion, a cell wall is differentially permeable. Reason, in plants cell wall is made up of cellulose. So here assertion is seems to be somewhat wrong, but the reason to the assertion, reason may be correct, but it is not correct explaining the assertion. So here A is false but R is true. Yes, in plants cell wall actually it is a very rigid, tough, made of cellulose. It is impermeable, not permeable. Okay, so here assertion is false but reason is true. Next, here the matching set is given, match the following type question, and sometimes the matching set will be given and down codes will be given. You have to select the code. In order to select that code also you have to match first. Nucleus, prokaryotes, lysosomes, mitochondria, rough endoplasmic reticulum, these are the column 1 part, and the column 2 cells, powerhouse, suicidal bags, protein synthesis, cell brain, and the bacterium and the lipid synthesis. So here first nucleus, the nucleus is considered as cell brain. First known ones you have to match. Okay, next lysosomes, they are called the suicidal bags. Mitochondria, they are called the powerhouses of the cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum involves in protein synthesis. Okay, and the prokaryote, here what is the prokaryote given in the column 2? The only one prokaryote is given, so that is bacterium. Okay, nucleus is called cell brain, option D. Next, prokaryote, bacterium, option E. Next, lysosome, suicidal bags, it is option B. Next, mitochondria, it is the cell's powerhouse of the cell, option A. Next, rough endoplasmic reticulum, protein synthesis, because it contains ribosomes, so protein synthesis, D, E, B, A, C. Okay children, you have to match with pencil and then you have to select the right options. Next, here some solved questions which appeared in the previous medical entrance. So this is also very important to know, means these questions will add weight to this chapter. Okay, cell was discovered by the given term. The cell was discovered and the term cell was given by Grieve, Brown, Robert Hooke, Darwin. Robert Hooke. Okay, the cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1965 when he observed tiny cavities bounded by definite walls in the sections of cork tissue. Next, the smallest known cell, Acetobularia, nostoc, chlamydomonas, pleuropneumonia-like organisms. Acetobularia is the largest single cell algae, whereas pleuropneumonia, PPLO, it is also called PPLO. It is the smallest known cell. Pleuropneumonia-like organisms, PPLO, the Mycoplasma, they are also called Mycoplasma. Species is Gallisepticum, is having an average size of 0.150 microns. Microns are the smallest units, nano units. Okay, the smallest known cell is PPLO. Next, if the living cells similar to those found on Earth were found on another planet where there was no oxygen, which cell organelle would most probably be absent? Okay, so here the question, if the living cells similar to those found on Earth were found on another planet where there was no oxygen, so which cell organelle would most probably be absent? Okay, here cell membrane, ribosomes, mitochondria and chromosomes are given. So cell membrane, it does not involve, so mitochondria is absent. But where the mitochondria is absent, but that living cell living without oxygen, anaerobic, okay, the mitochondria is the respiratory organ, and in the absence of oxygen respiration does not take place, and mitochondria would be the absent in the given option. Okay, next, which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Cristae, the shells formed by the folding of inner membrane of the mitochondria. Plasmodesmata, the membrane surrounding the vacuole in plants. Grana membrane bound discs in chloroplasts that contain chlorophylls and carotenoids. Middle lamella layer between adjacent cell walls in plants derived from cell plate. So here the plasmodesmata, the membrane surrounding the vacuole in plants, because the membrane which surround the vacuole is known as tonoplast. So here vacuole is given. Previous question, what is the membrane surrounding the vacuole? Tonoplast. So here wrongly given option, B option. Plasmodesmata, actually they are present in the cell wall, they are not present in the vacuole. Next, the smallest cell organelle is among these monosome. Mono means single ribosome. The smallest of the cell organelles is ribosome. It is also called monosome. Which of the following are not membrane bound? Okay, ribosomes are not membrane bound. Okay, so children, with this we have completed the worksheets of cell structure and functions. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive latest updates.